Analysis of meteorites suggests Mars had a habitable condition 100 million years before Earth. And now I'll direct you to the playlist of the Emerald Tablets written by Thoth the Atlantean, or Hermes Trismegistus, and he says that Mars had a habitable planet similar to Earth's atmosphere, and that they were colonies on Mars, and also that one exiled Atlantean general was buried under a face on Mars, and his entourage of exiled generals were buried in pyramids next to the face. This sounds like the pyramids and face of Sidonia Plateau on Mars. But something happened to Mars. It looks like it had some kind of a nuclear disaster. So a meteorite that crashed on Earth in the Sahara Desert in 2011 is thought to have originated from Mars. Turns out that Mars' crust formed only 20 million years after the formation of the solar system, further suggesting it also got a 100 million year jump on Earth in terms of habitability, according to a new study published in the journal Nature. And the development of a planet's crust is the final stage in planet formation and begins with the accretion of particles from the protoplanetary gas disk, Science News explained, adding that said particles later make up a hot magma ocean that then forms a metallic core and outer crust once it cools. The process typically takes anywhere between 30 million and 100 million years. Researchers led by officials from the Center for Star and Planet Formation, CSPF, at the Natural History Museum of Denmark, came to their conclusions after examining extracts from the Black Beauty meteorite. The said space rock, which is thought to have originated from Mars' crust, crash-landed into the Sahara Desert in 2011, they said. Our results indicate that Mars fully solidified and cooled within 20 million years of the solar system formation. This is what Martin Bizzarro, author of the study from CSPF, told Newsweek. He said, "This means that liquid water could have existed at the surface of the planet by that time, and hence this environment may have been amenable for life to develop. This is much earlier than Earth by about 100 million years, meaning that life may have first originated on Mars," Bizzarro added, before stressing that this is speculative and requires additional evidence, of course, he said. As the meteorite contained traces of zircon, a mineral that acts as a time capsule, researchers were able to determine the age at which the Martian crust formed by measuring the lead decaying from uranium trapped in the zircon. Bizzarro said, "We discovered the oldest minerals, zircons, from Mars. These zircons, which are about 100 million years older than the oldest terrestrial zircons, tell us that Mars had evolved a crust much earlier than Earth." The study also offered new evidence proving that planets are able to form much faster than previously thought. These results tell us that the timing of primary crust formation, which is the end product of planet formation, happens much faster than previously thought, Bizzarro explained. And this supports newer models of planet formation where Mars and Earth-sized planets grow by pebble accretion. Once the planet is formed by this process, it rapidly differentiates and crystallizes to form a crust. Earlier models suggested that planetary differentiation may take up to 100 million years, Bizzarro said. At present time, there are two models that details a planet's formation, one which offers a time scale of 50 to 100 million years, and another that suggests a much shorter time span. And this is on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.